In this video, I'll show you how you can join an English server in Roblox. Now first you want to install BT Roblox from the Chrome Web Store. Don't worry, it's completely safe. 4 million users, 4.2 stars. Just come in here and add to Chrome. Then what you want to do is head over to roblox.com and from in here, click on Settings, BTR Settings, scroll all the way down, click on Advanced, and click this one and choose region. Now once you've chosen region and says selected, you can go out of it, come down here, reload the page and select the game. So let's say I want to do this game. I can come down, exclude the full servers, we don't want them, and from here you should be able to see the region. Now, if you want to join an English one, obviously look for United States or United Kingdom. So let's say I want to join an English one, I'll join this one. Obviously, all of these others will be different language. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.